The system-level test has 3 irreplaceable core values. First, it can detect system coordination problems. Even if every single module is qualified, inconsistent operation of the whole pack will cause battery attenuation. Second, it verifies the true effective capacity of the battery, eliminating virtual range caused by system errors. Third, it calibrates the matching degree of BMS and hardware, eliminates hidden thermal safety risks, and guarantees long-term stable operation of the battery. Many people mix up pack test and module test. Here's the key difference. Module test is a partial detection, which only tests the performance of a single independent battery module, focusing on the quality of individual components. However, whole pack test is a global system detection, focusing on the coordination, consistency, and compatibility between all modules and the entire battery system. Single-cell testing determines whether the performance of individual components meets the standards, while battery pack testing verifies the normal coordinated operation of the entire integrated energy system. Qualified modules do not equal a qualified battery pack. Poor matching between qualified modules will also lead to battery failure, which can only be detected by whole pack testing. To sum up, module testing guarantees single component quality, and whole pack testing guarantees overall battery system performance. The whole pack charge and discharge test is the most core standard to judge an EV battery's real health and service life. Subscribe to our channel for more EV battery tips. I'm Diana. See you guys next time. Bye bye.